Hey there, most users are facing the DeepSeek server busy error problem. But don't worry, here's how you can fix it using your any iPhone with the latest iOS. First, you have to check the DeepSeek server is busy or not. Open up your any browser and go to status.deepseek.com. See if there is an incident that it's a server-side issue. You will just need to wait until they fix it. But if there's no report, then the problem might be on your side. For that, next let's make sure your internet isn't acting up. Turn on your airplane mode, wait at least 30 seconds. After that, turn airplane mode off, but make sure you are using either Wi-Fi or mobile data, not both, because using both at the same time can sometimes cause interruptions. And then you can check your internet speed by going to any browser and visiting fast.com. If you're still stuck, make sure your DeepSeek is up to date. And there have another solution. It might be due to old cache or cookies. Try clearing your browser's data. That often helps things run smoother. If nothing else works, log out and try signing in with a different account. Tap the hamburger menu, tap your name, scroll down and select log out. Confirm the prompt. Now log in with another account and check if it works. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.